Hey guys, I'm here to try and help out on some of the squeaks and rattles we have in our cars. We seem to have a problem with right in here, where these two surfaces meet, right in here. Alright, it seems like if you bang on it, see you can hear kind of the rattle. I only got one hand here, but let's hope if we wedge something in here, like this, now we bang on it again. Can you hear the difference? Right there, you can kind of hear it rattling a little bit. And if we stick that in there and do it again, it kind of goes away. Well, I did the repair for the other side of the car, exact same thing, and I'm going to show you what needs to be done to quiet down those two rattles, at least in the dashboard there. I know a lot of people felt that the rattles were coming from inside the dash here. I thought that too, but it seems like they're definitely coming from this corner and that corner over there. Like I said, I did that one here. Let me show you what the fix is. Alright, I happen to have some leftover foam from an air conditioner I installed. And as you see here, one of these little gadgets that you pick up at the auto store, it's made of nylon, plastic nylon. You use it to take apart doors and everything like that without marring anything. So what I do is I take some of this spongy foam stuff and I jam it down in between the gray and the A pillar. Alright, and I'll try and show you that. Okay, again, I only got one hand here, so bear with me. Okay, we need to stick some foam in between here, the A pillar and the top of the dash. What I do is I take some of this foam and then I jam it down in between the two, as you can see. Okay, and that, see, that eliminates the rattle. This is the whole piece that seems to vibrate up against these two, and in here you'll see me put foam in here too. I put foam all around in here, all around up in here, and I did the exact same thing on this side. I put the foam up against the A pillar and the dash, and in between the wood and the dash behind the vent there that you see. So I noticed that those were rattling from over here. I did this side first, and it's been a couple of weeks and I haven't heard any sounds. But I've been hearing sounds over here, so I assumed a lot of it was the same kind of design. So I went ahead and, as you saw, I put that foam in there, and now this is all quieted down. So that's where you have your rattles that are up in the front. Alright. Okay. There's another piece in here we stick in there. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing and watch the camera at the same time so you folks can see. See, again, you can't even tell that the foam was even in there. That's a lot better. So there you have it. Keep adding more foam as needed in between those crevices there. It seems like they vibrate against each other when you go over certain bumps and everything. That's what I found the problem to be. On this side, I have not had that issue any longer, and that's what we got. hopefully this helps you out and gives you an idea where some of the squeaks and rattles are coming from. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Let me know. Thanks.